and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is hopefully going to be a very satisfying spring cleaning video. To be honest, I did not want to film this at all because I do not feel like doing this. I do not feel like doing the deep cleaning that I probably do like once a year. Normally I'm really pumped to do it. I don't know what's wrong with me this year. So if you don't feel like doing it either, I'm gonna encourage you to do it. Just do it. Push through. I'm sure by the end of this I will feel so good and so glad that I did it, and I won't regret it. So I really want to deep clean like my kitchen, my closet, our bathroom. So for the kitchen, deep cleaning like the backsplash, the stove, and organizing under the sink, and in my bathroom, organizing under the sink. And I'm actually going through our closet. I'm gonna decide what clothes to get rid of and what clothes to keep, and I'm actually going to be selling them on my Poshmark. This is not sponsored. I'm just letting you guys know that I'm selling my clothes over there. So you can follow me over there. I talk about it a lot on my Instagram, and I give you guys like real-time updates of what I've put on there. A lot of great clothes from like Free People, Madewell, Anthropologie, all that. I'll have that link down below for you guys. And if you don't follow me on my Instagram, you definitely should. It's a great way to stay updated on things like that and just my life. So with all that being said, let's get going with this spring cleaning. Yeah, I'm really not looking forward to it, but I got my comfy clothes on. I think I'm gonna make a latte before we get started to kind of motivate me. Let's do it. You can grab a cup of coffee or you can clean with me and get motivated. I have my coffee. I'm gonna start with deep cleaning the stove and the backsplash. So how I'm going to deep clean the grates is I'm actually going to fill the sink with water and vinegar. I prefer distilled vinegar, but I ran out, so I'm just gonna use apple cider vinegar. It works the same, just a different smell. And then I'll just sprinkle baking soda over top. So I'll let those soak, and then I will deep clean the stove and the backsplash.
I know we're going somewhere, into the danger zone. It all points right to that. I set myself aside, lead the way on this trial. If you don't know the way, we can stop and make a change. I know we walk for days, losing hope, fading love. This night will be okay, waking up to another day.
To deep clean my kitchen sink, especially because it's stainless steel, I use Dawn soap, and then I sprinkle over that some baking soda, and it creates a paste, and then I really scrub it in, and that really helps your kitchen sink look spotless and clean, and it smells amazing.
It's the same old story being told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. Tear this wall apart to let you in. My friends say the time's running out, so take the chance. Make a move, 'cause the store won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my see what I've done, letting go too soon.
Okay, I have officially finished the kitchen and the living room. I do want to eventually wash our couch, like cushion covers, but I'm not doing that today. It wasn't part of the plans, so I'll get to that eventually. But it was great to vacuum it to get some dust off, and the dog that we watch a lot, his hair was on there, so I was able to get all of that. And I've actually never vacuumed the couch, and that turned out really great. So we did good today, finished a lot in the kitchen and the living room, and then tomorrow we're gonna pick up in my bathroom to organize under my sink and do my closet, which is the real task I've been avoiding because I hate going through my clothes and getting rid of stuff, but it needs to be done. I have so many clothes and I wear the same 3 things, so it will be good to really purge my closet. I will feel really great about it. Day 2 of spring cleaning. So we are in my bedroom because that is mainly where we're going to be working. We're going to start in my bathroom and then we're going to head over to my closet, which is the thing I've been avoiding and I really don't want to do. We moved in about 6 months ago and I didn't really organize under my sink when we moved in, which would have been ideal. So I feel like it's just been a mess. I've been missing things since the move, specifically, very specifically, my electric toothbrush charger. I have not been able to find it, so I've literally been using a dead toothbrush, which is fine. I'm just using like a regular non-electric toothbrush, but it's electric. Like I should be using it. I should be using it like a normal one. I just haven't been able to find my charger. So I'm really hoping I can find that once I go through everything and organize. So we'll start in my bathroom and then we'll head into my closet. Here we are at my closet. So this is actually the longest in my life I've gone with a very unorganized closet. Normally I have things organized not only by like sleeve length, but color, and I'm very particular. Even whenever I would put my clothes back, like that would be organized. But whenever we moved into this house, I just didn't know how to organize this closet because it's set up kind of weird. Also, I now share a closet with Sam, which makes it a lot harder. So our clothes are literally like mixed in somewhat. I mean, we're kind of separated, but we just don't have like specific spots for each other. So I'm trying to figure out how can I best organize these clothes, and that's why I've been just completely avoiding this. So my stuff is down here on the bottom, and then we have a laundry bin, and then we have this area, which is where my jeans and all my dresses are because it can be like really long back there. I have some of my clothes here, some of Sam's clothes, his jeans, and then some of Sam's clothes and some of my clothes, and then our shoes, and I have like my robes and purses hanging up over here, and then above there we just have like random stuff. So I think what I'm gonna do is take everything out of the closet which sounds like a lot of work. I don't know why, I just really don't want to do this. I think I'm gonna take all of my stuff out, go through it, figure out what I want to sell on Poshmark, what I want to keep, and then organize it from there. I don't know if I'm going to organize Sam's clothes because I don't know how he wants his clothes organized. I'm very specific with how I organize mine, and it's not how he organizes his. Like some shirts that I would think he would fold, he hangs up, and ones that he would hang up, he folds. I don't know. It's very confusing. So I might just stick with doing my clothes, but I might organize his. Maybe he would appreciate that. I don't know what to do. It is time, and we're gonna do it. Okay. These 3 piles are everything I'm keeping. That really big pile is everything I am selling, and this pile as well. I love a lot of the clothes I'm selling. I just don't need them, or I don't wear them enough. I'm really trying to kind of minimalize my closet and really get like really basic pieces that I can mix and match I'm not trying to go minimalist because I don't think I could ever be a minimalist, but it's more of like, I think it's called essentialism, where it's like, just keep your essentials and don't do anything crazy. Obviously, I kept certain pieces that I might, you know, wear to a really nice party or something like that, or like a really nice dinner that I'm not going to be wearing, you know, all the time, but it's good to have on hand. But I only kept a few of those items. What I'm hoping to do is, with selling these items, I want to go out and buy just good basics for my closet, things that I love. If you guys want, you can follow my Poshmark to see these items. By the time this video goes up, I want to have them posted, but we'll see if that happens. So now I'm going to organize all the clothes in here and put everything back inside the closet. So that is it for today's spring cleaning video. I cleaned a lot and there's so many more things I could deep clean, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Also be sure to subscribe if you aren't already. If you guys want, I think I'm gonna make a latte. So if you want to stay to an end, I'll do a nice little pretty montage for you. So I hope this latte montage ends this video on a very peaceful and happy note. I love you guys and thank you so much for watching. Bye.